Hey guys, this is Judy from Judinka Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have a Born Pretty store haul video for you. Alright guys, so I do hope that you have a cup of tea or coffee or something to snack on ready, because today's haul will be a long video. I placed several orders with Born Pretty store. 2 of my packages got lost and they had to resend them. So these are my purchases probably from February through April, I would say. And I also ordered not only Born Pretty store stamping plates, but I also got some from Herunota and Nicole Dairy, and I really like those as well. And I will show you also other things that I purchased during these hauls. These are all purchased by me, so none of these were sent to me by the company, even though I do have a discount code that you can use at Born Pretty Store's website. And you can also find these now on Amazon, and they also do have a US warehouse, so it's easier for you to get some of their products and items from a US warehouse. The shipping doesn't take as long. However, I kind of prefer still ordering from their regular homepage. If you have any questions or comments or any special requests as far as which plates or what products you would like me to review for you, make sure that you leave that for me in the comment section. I'm not gonna be leaving links to all of these because it's a lot and I don't think they will fit in the description box, but you can go on Born Pretty Store's website and you can just kind of do a search and find these if you are interested in purchasing them. This was a long intro. Of course, if you do like my video or if you do like haul videos, then don't forget to thumbs up this one for me as well. And if you're new here and you don't want to miss out on any of my future videos, then also hit the subscribe button before you leave. Now I will jump into the close-ups and showing you what I got throughout these months, and yeah, just stay tuned for more videos where I will be using these. So thank you so much for being here today. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I will be back with some more soon. Thank you. Bye bye.